This is my Nissan 2003 Frontier. This morning I have a called service engine soon. Let's get a computer to see what problem this is. So hook the computer here. Okay. Connect. It's connected. Diagnose.
Yep.
Read.
Read. Same.
Same. This is
Purge flow sensor.
P1444. Do you read? Can you read, please?
Control unit 10, status pending, and that's the computer name OBD2. Purge flow sensor circuit low input. This is Volvo, but it's actually, that's just because what we programmed it as, because we had it on the Volvo. This is reading for the truck.
Okay. So when we had this P1444,
Yeah.
so we watched the video. So what we did?
Then we took this piece off. This piece, it's connected to these two hoses. We disconnected this power, and we unscrewed it. We took it off, and you cleaned it out. It had carbon deposits in it, like just completely clogged in one of them, huh?
Yeah,
one of them, and just flushed it out. Just with air, nothing else, because it is electronic, and then put it back on.
Yeah. So today, what we try to do is because the code is the air in is not.
It's still the same thing, and actually the purge flow. They want you to purge the flow valve, and so it's the same thing that we did on the car yesterday.
So today we just do from beginning to the end to make a video only say how to change this air. The air filter.
We don't have a new one, so we'll go get that.
Change this. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take this out and go get a new one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you know how to take it out?
Yeah. Can you film me?
Take power off. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to disconnect.
Disconnect the one.
And should you disconnect that, or it doesn't matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Oh, just disconnect this. How to disconnect this?
It should just be a thing, but I don't think you need to. Don't make, because this truck is really old, so I don't know how delicate these cables are. These wires are. Let's see. I think, is this a round one? I'm not sure. Oh no. Ooh. Let's see. Turn it over. Oh, come on. Look, it's got even fibers in it and stuff. No.
Okay, buy a new one.
Yeah, we'll just take this over to AutoZone, huh? Look, it's even cracked and stuff.
Why is it cracked?
Oh, is that how it's supposed to be?
I don't know.
Or was it just in wrong? Huh. It's dirty.
We buy this one at the AutoZone.
Okay.
And we'll clean up that. Just a minute, we'll clean up that. First we have the loose this thing.
Good. That's good.
And I think we need to loose this thing too.
Oh, these two?
No, this two is, I think it's okay.
Okay.
Just
I have another two.
Well, we just need the one extra bigger than
I don't have one bigger.
We need to have one.
Yeah, we need a set. This was just really basic from Walmart when we first moved here.
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay. Alright. Let's see how this goes. It is loose. It's just... Did you look up how to do it on this truck?
No, it's the same thing.
Okay. I think it's difficult because of these. These are really stiff. I think we should take these off. Okay, I think we should take these off.
Okay. No, it's not that easy to pull.
Yeah. But actually, look. So now try it.
Yeah, pull the whole thing.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay. It's going to be tough to get around though. Pull that out. Okay, and we're just going to pull that up.
Just a minute, just a minute.
We do need to take these off, I think. Or can you get in there?
Just a minute, just a minute. I think this is already enough.
Yeah, you can get in there.
Oh my God.
Ooh, filthy. Take video.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's so dirty. Oh my God. Now we have to clean up this thing. Take one towel under.
We'll just put it like, yeah, in there, huh?
Okay, you shoot it. Okay.
Okay.
This you can open like this.
Oh yeah, that one has the pulley.
Yeah.
Just push on this, I think.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay. No
Yes.
problem. Nice.
I need a stick. I need a stick.
Yes. It's gonna be filthy. Ew. Yep.
Actually, they say that you have to take the whole thing off, but I don't want to. That's way too much.
It's really dirty. It's like the edges you have to get of the flap, huh? Maybe this angle is better. Can you get in from here?
No, but I need you to pull it.
I'll pull it back.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay. Be careful. Yeah. Pull. Yeah.
There we go. Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Don't hurt yourself, okay?
No. We need more cleaner.
Okay, it's over there on the table.
Now we got this code 1P1444. So we are supposed to change this. And what's the name of this?
Was it stinky in here?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
So what is the name of this thing?
This is the Purge flow valve.
We bought a new one. Can you show the people? We bought a new one. This is from American company. So the price is varied from $50, $60, and we got for like 20 to 23.
Yeah. Low 20s.
Yeah, 20 to 3 some dollars. Okay, but it's an American company which has been in America for 30 years, so the quality should be okay. Now we change this thing. Okay, now
Let's do it.
yeah.
Put it over there.
We just made a mistake. We did not record the process. So can you explain what we did?
We replaced the Purge flow valve.
Yeah, we just took this off. It was just like easy, and take this off and take this off, and took it away, and I put a new one, and then connect them, and also we'll clear the code.
Upside down.
Upside down. And we'll clear the code. And also here the light is off.
Well, it's off right now.
It's off now. Okay. So the engine light is not on. Okay?
It's off.
It's off. It's off. So we just hope that we have fixed it.
I can't believe we missed the whole thing. Do you want to do it all over again?
No.
We'll put the old one back on.
No.
Get the code to come back.
No. I think people are very smart. They understand what we did. So we just drive the car for some time, and to see if the code is not come on again, means that we have fixed P1444, the code.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.